In this video, I want to share with you 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in April that you can use for your merch on demand business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 100 prompts that will be trending in April, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Wednesday, February 5th, 6:17 a.m. in the morning, already sitting at 2 sales. Yesterday, kind of a slow day, did 25 sales and $30 in royalties, but I've had a pretty good start to the month. So the first I did $76, the second I did $74, and on the third I did $81. That is going to put me at 195 sales for the month and $267 in royalties. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So we have April coming up in 2 months, and when I was doing members on my YouTube channel, I would send out these Word files of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in 2 months from now. And so I wanted to go ahead and make one for April, like I always do. So here it is, 100 prompts. You can get it on my PayHip shop. It's $15, but I'm actually running a 50% off sale for today only, and actually my whole shop is on sale. So if you've been on the fence for some of these prompts, now is a good time to take some action and make some purchases. So here it is right here. If you click on it, you will be able to read the description, and you will see that you get a Word doc and a PDF file. And again, it's 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in April. And the way that I have it set up is that it's 25 animal prompts that will be trending in April, 25 food prompts that will be trending in April, 25 career prompts, and then 25 health and awareness prompts. So let's go ahead and take a look at those prompts and designs on my Ideogram platform or profile. So here we are on Ideogram. You can see this is me with my son when he was like about a year or 2 years old. And so the first set is going to be the health and awareness one. So this one right here, I wear burgundy and ivory for my dad. This is for head and neck cancer awareness, and this is actually a really good cancer niche that not too many people know about. I remember about 4 or 5 years I got into this niche and did pretty well. Still pretty low in competition. So this is the first one. I wear burgundy and ivory for my dad. Wife of a warrior. So here we're taking the head and neck cancer cross niche with wife. Proud mother of a head and neck cancer warrior. Actually, this one turned out pretty nice. And remember, all these can be scaled. So, you can do proud father, proud son, proud daughter, grandma. My hero is now my angel. Throat cancer awareness. That's another good one. Cancer grabbed me by the throat and I kicked its butt. Next one is going to be for Parkinson's disease. So no one fights alone. That's a really good one right there. I'm not drunk. I have Parkinson's. My dad's fight is my fight. My God is stronger than Parkinson's. And then my brain is experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by. I thought that was a pretty funny one. Oh, whoops, this one shouldn't be there. That was for a political niche, so get rid of that one. Next is going to be sexual assault awareness. So this is a very popular niche that does very well every April. I have a design that really takes off during this time of month. It's actually already starting to sell. That's how I got the idea for it. But right here, my sister is a warrior, sexual assault awareness. Let me get my face out the way because it's blocking. Not alone, not to blame. I am not a victim, I'm a survivor. And victim blaming. In April, we were teal, sexual assault awareness. So we got some good sexual assault awareness designs right there. Next one is going to be for testicular cancer awareness. So I work purple for testicular cancer, support squad, toughest dad ever. And then another no one fights alone, testicular cancer awareness. And the last one, my son is a warrior, testicular cancer awareness. So those are the health and awareness ones for April. Next set is going to be for careers and professions. So here we have plumber. So I believe it's Plumber Awareness Day or Plumber Appreciation Day in April, or maybe for the whole month, something like that. But right here, we're going to see I'm here because you broke something. A lot of these are funny. A legendary plumber has retired. That's a really good way to niche down in almost any career or profession, because a lot of the times these careers can be kind of competitive, but one way is you can focus on people that are going to be retiring. So a legendary plumber has retired. I'm a dad and a plumber. Nothing scares me. So that's a very popular phrase that we've seen do well. Not for plumber, but like usually I'm a dad or I have 3 daughters. Nothing scares me. But here we're cross-niching that phrase with plumber. Here we have I'm a proud mom. I'm a freaking awesome plumber. So cross-niching plumber with mom. Some people call me a plumber. The most important people call me dad. My favorite plumber calls me grandma. Plumber using a high school diploma to fix what college what your college degree messed up. So that's a funny one. And then I have 2 titles, dad, master plumber, and I rock them both. That's a popular phrase in a lot of job and profession niches. And then it's about to go down. And then this last one, not your average plumber. I've actually been able to do pretty well with this design style right here, just taking this cactus, doing not your average. And there's popping in all different types of professions. And then here we have the next profession niche, which is going to be lineman. And this is not for like football, not for like offensive linemen, but this is for people that climb these telephone poles. They're called linemen, so getting paid for getting high because they have to work high up on the pole. Then God said, let there be light, and created linemen. Even firemen need heroes. Love us or hate us, we still turn you on. I'm not just daddy's little girl, I'm a lineman's daughter. So those are the profession ones. And then here we have for geologists. So it's going to be Geologist Appreciation Day in April. So stop the car, I see a rock. I'm only talking to my rocks today. Of course, I love geology, so that's a play on words. Good one right there. If it involves coffee and rocks, count me in. So here we're cross-niching geologist with coffee. Always a good idea there. Not all who wander are lost. Some are looking for cool rocks. Here we have occupational therapist. So occupational therapy, kind of like a Halloweenish one. It's a great day for occupational therapy. Octopational therapist, so cross-niching occupational therapy with octopus. Got tongue-tied there. Okay, so qualified occupational therapist. So that's the last one for the career ones. Now let's take a look at the... Actually, no, I misspoke. It keeps going. I thought it was food because I saw the jam and the cookie. But occupational therapy is my jam. School counselor, I'm just here when you're feeling crummy. Not your average counselor, so another not your average one. Counseling, so these are the counseling ones. So counseling is my jam. I used to be saying that I became a school counselor. School counselor help you, or school counselors help you talk about it. So the last niche for the careers and professions is counselor, because it's going to be Counselor Appreciation Day in April. Now we can take a look at the animal one. So always be yourself. Unless you can be a penguin, then always be a penguin. I just really like penguins. Just a boy who loves penguins. This is my penguin pajama shirt. I did the math. The answer is penguin. For some reason, that phrase always makes me laugh. I did the math, and then you say the answer is, and you pop in the niche. I wonder if dolphins dream about me too. I just really like dolphins. Just a girl who loves dolphins. Dolphins make me happy. You not so much. Life is better with dolphins. For some reason, the animal ones turn out really well. I've just noticed, like when I do these cartoonish graphic design illustrations in Ideogram, the animal ones always seem to be like the best. So hamster mom, I just really like hamsters. I'm really a hamster in a human costume. Sorry, I can't. I have plans with my hamster. Just a girl who loves hamsters. Then we. Okay, so sorry about that. My screen share cut me off like it seems to always do when I'm doing these videos. But next animal niche is going to be Siamese cats. So here we're niching down in the cat niche, focusing on a specific cat breed, which is Siamese cats. It's going to be Siamese Appreciation or some type of like National Siamese Cat Day in April. So Siamese, please. I probably would have liked it to maybe make this one smiling. That usually helps. But all you need is wine and a Siamese cat. Best Siamese cat dad ever. So here we're taking a very popular, one of like the all-time best phrases, on merch, which is best dad ever. And we're not just cross-niching it with, cat, but we're actually niching down and doing Siamese cat. So really clever design there. Just a girl who loves Siamese cats. It's not cat hair, it's Siamese glitter. Next one is going to be ferret mom. A lot of times you can take like these animals and just do like, put mom after. So like ferret mom, bird mom, cat mom. You want to niche down and find some, animals that are lower in competition. But here we have ferret mom. My ferret listens to metal. I mean, that's really funny right there. Just a girl who loves ferrets. Ferrets make me happy. You not so much. This is my human costume. I'm really a ferret. And then fueled by tea and sarcasm. Okay, so I think we're doing books now. How did these two get in here? Okay, I'm not too sure. for tea. Oh yeah, no, we're going to food now. So now we're in the food niches, and so it's going to be tea, National Tea Day, so fueled by tea and sarcasm. Next one is read a book, drink tea, be happy. So here we're cross-niching books with tea. Then we have bananas, so warning, may spontaneously talk about bananas. Banana squad, that's bananas. Just a girl who loves grilled cheese. I'm just here for the grilled cheese. I just really like grilled cheese. Just a girl who loves empanadas. Sorry, I can't. I have to make empanadas. I'm into fitness beer in my belly. It's beer appreciation, or National Beer Day in April. I only drink beer 3 days a week, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Cheers and beers to my 30 years. Now you can scale this and do different like years. So 25, 20, focus on the major ones, or focus on the ones that not too many people are probably doing, like, 17 years, 32 years, 41 years, things like that. Beer me, it's my birthday. It's a bad day to be a beer. I think this was like my favorite one, actually. I think this turned out really nice. Look how nice that one is. Pretzel squad, live every day like it's pretzel day. I don't miss words, just garlic. Needs more garlic. Everything is better with garlic. Sourdough whisperer, warning, may spontaneously start talking about sourdough. Introverted but willing to discuss sourdough. Proud parent of a sourdough starter. And then the last one is ask me about my sourdough starter. So those are the 100 prompts that will be trending in April that you can use for your merch on demand business. And again, if you're interested, you can get them by clicking on the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Let me put my face back down here. So yeah, like I said, it's 50% off for today only, 17 hours left. So if you're interested, make sure to take advantage. If not, it's all good. I appreciate you just watching my content. Now let me go ahead and talk about some resources that I use to help me get sales like this. 27, 25, 64, 76, 74, 81, and 30. So the first one is going to be buy AR prompts. Now I kind of already talked about that, but if you just go back here, you can take a look at the categories or collections that I have at the top. So some other ones that might make sense, like if you go to the holiday prompts, I have like St. Patrick's Day is coming up, Mardi Gras is coming up, Valentine's Day getting kind of close, but like 4th of July, back to school, so you can come in here and take a look. Evergreen prompts, so I have one that's pretty valuable, or a good deal. So this 500 evergreen prompts right here for only $12.50. Usually I charge $24. I think it's only like 5 cents a prompt there. But basically what I did is I took these 100 health awareness prompts, these 100 career prompts, these 100 food prompts, and these 100 animal prompts, put them all together and made this 500 evergreen collection or bundle right here. So you can get that for only $12.50. And if you want, you can just get the free prompts right here as well. So feel free to browse around. Next one is going to be Ideogram. So if you're not signed up to Ideogram, I would highly recommend it. I actually tried like Kittle and some of those other ones, and I was pretty disappointed, to be honest. I just was not really impressed. Maybe I was doing it wrong, I don't know. But Ideogram, in my opinion, is by far the best one. And if you use my link to sign up, my affiliate link, you will receive an additional 100 priority bonus prompts. That's above and beyond what you get when you just normally sign up with Ideogram. So take a look there if you're interested. Next one is going to be Merch Dominator. So Merch Dominator is who I use to do all my research. So let's just go ahead and take a look at Merch Dominator, see if we can find anything that's good. So what I like to do is I like to come into Merch Dominator, go to MBA and KDP, and then click on bestsellers, sort it by newest, and then just hit search. So let's see if we can find anything that's good. So this is a really popular trending niche right now. I made a short about it yesterday. MAGA, Mexicans ain't going anywhere. So we're going to see a lot of duplicates, repetition. That's what I'm looking for. I also saw one that says migrants ain't going anywhere, so that you can do like another version of this, or maybe you can think of another word that starts with M that would make sense for this niche. You don't want to do football stuff. It's going to get you in trouble. This is fine right here. I made a short about this niche too. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I put out these shorts talking about trending niches. Doing it almost every day. We have Black History Month coming up. But it looks like, and this is actually my design right here. I made this on Ideogram, put it up onto my Creative FABRICA shop. So right here we're going to see, oh whoops, that's not what I wanted to show. That's my dashboard. But if we go to my shop, we can see that this is my design right here. Someone actually took my design from Ideogram, which is totally fine. That's why I put them up there. And they put it onto Amazon, and you can see it's already getting sales. It's got a 525 BSR. So like I said, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. But this is the niche that is taking over right now. Mexicans ain't going anywhere. So that is what I use to find my trending niches, Merch Dominator. So if you're interested, take a look at the affiliate link. Next one is going to be flying research. I also have a merch course for beginners. So if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, take a look at that. It's good for people that are like stuck in tier 10 or making less than $100 a month. My Creative Fabrica shop, I just showed you that. Let's take a look at it again. I have, you know, all my designs. So like this one is a pretty good one too. America was built by immigrants. Basically, I make designs on Ideogram and then I put them up onto my Creative Fabrica shop. Look how nice this one turned out. You don't get more American and indigenous Americans. So that's my Creative Fabrica shop. Then I also have EVERBEE and PRINTFUL. So EVERBEE is who I use to do my Etsy research. So if you're selling on Etsy and you're having a hard time finding out what the heck to sell, I would highly recommend you sign up to EVERBEE. In my opinion, EVERBEE is just mandatory if you're on Etsy. It's by far the best research tool. You can get, I think you get a free trial. I don't know. Take a look. But it's very good. And the next one is going to be Printful. So Printful is who I use to fulfill all my t-shirt orders, all my mugs, all my stickers, all my hoodies, all my sweatshirts for Etsy. Highly recommend them. There's just like no headaches. When I use Printify, sometimes I'd get messages from the people that they got sent the wrong shirt. They said they washed it once and the print got faded or whatever. With Printful, no headaches. I don't want to get messages from customers complaining to me saying they want refunds and stuff like that. And Printful, I mean, they're not perfect, but it's very rare that I get like a message like that. But yeah, so these are the resources that I'm currently using to you know, be a successful merch on demand seller. So if you want to support me, go ahead and sign up using one of those affiliate links. If not, it's all good. I appreciate you watching my content. Make sure to subscribe, and then also if you want, you know, watch one of these videos that I'm going to put up here. That's going to help with the YouTube algorithm. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.